In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text glow in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make headings stand out, add emphasis to important words, or give your document a more creative and polished look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This can be a brand new file or an existing document that you're already working on. Once your document is open, find the text you want to enhance with the glow effect. You can use this on a single word, a heading, a title, or even a full line of text depending on the look you want. Next, select the text you want to apply the glow effect to. To do that, click and drag your mouse over the text until it's highlighted. If you're working with just one word or a short phrase, take a moment to make sure only that text is selected. This is important because whatever effect you apply next will only affect the highlighted text. After your text is selected, go up to the top of the screen and click the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools in Microsoft Word, including font styles, sizes, colors, and special text effects. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Text Effects and Typography icon. It usually looks like a glowing or stylized letter A, and it's located in the Font section of the toolbar. Click on the Text Effects and Typography icon to open the Effects menu. In this menu, you'll see a variety of formatting options that can make your text look more creative. Now hover over Glow. As soon as you move your cursor over that option, Microsoft Word will show you several glow presets that you can use right away. Take a moment to look through the available glow styles. You'll usually see different colors and different levels of intensity, so you can choose one that fits your document design. If you want something subtle, pick a softer glow. If you want your text to really stand out, choose a brighter or stronger glow effect. Simply click the style you like, and Word will apply it instantly to your selected text. Once the glow is applied, you can see the result right inside your document. If it doesn't look exactly how you want, don't worry. You can always reselect the text and try a different glow style until it matches your design. This makes it very easy to experiment with different looks without permanently changing your document, and that's it. You've now learned how to make your text glow in Microsoft Word. It's a fast and easy way to make your documents more eye-catching and professional. Whether you're creating a flyer, a presentation handout, a cover page, or just want to highlight something important, this effect can make a big difference. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.